decided I would grab this chair from Walmart. So we will take this along with us and see how it performs. Alright, we picked up this backpacking chair at Walmart a while back. Something that we could take along on longer hikes, and then that way if one of us needed to sit down and rest, we would have it with us. 3.6 pounds seems a little bit heavy, but it's our first backpacking chair, so let's take a look. You got a loop and a slot for the poles. 4 of those. Got Velcro around the poles. Feels like it's just going to be a jumbled mess, but it looks like they all just kind of lock into their places. So I guess these rubber part here are the feet, and then the other ends are what go into the slots. It's hard here is figuring out which way is up. You have it. Hiking chair. Getting the last part in there was
hiking chair?
Getting the last part in there was a little bit tight as you were applying tension across all the fabric. It is rated for 250 pounds, so it's a little too much for me. So
I can sit on it.
Yeah. Hang on just a minute. And lean back. Comfortable? All right. Kaylin's turn.
Ouchie! Ouchie! Ouchie!
What is the ouchie for?
My biscuit's so burning. Oh. Okay.
So it's hot?
Yes! Oh, it's low.
Yes, it's small because you need something small and light for backpacking.
Comfy.
It is comfy? Alright. Alright, had a few people smaller than me try it out because I don't want to break it. So this will probably be the hardest part right here. Oh, that wasn't too bad. So these ought to probably all just pop out and dangle. easier to roll it up in this first. There we go, all packed up again. Gotta get rid of these tags that are illegal to remove. All right, backpacking chair, holds 250 pounds, weighs 3.6 pounds for hiking, from Ozark Trail, picked it up at Walmart. Thanks for watching. Happy camping, y'all.
Happy camping, y'all.
You didn't know you were there.
Happy camping, y'all.
Happy camping, y'all.
Whoever likes, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Move on. Okay, video's over. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Good.